There are moments in life when the weight of anxiety feels unbearable. When your heart races, your mind spins, and everything around you seems uncertain. Anxiety isn't just a feeling. It's a silent storm that clouds the mind, paralyzes potential, and steals the joy of the present moment. But here's the truth. Anxiety is not your identity. It's a challenge you can overcome. Whether you're battling constant worry, panic attacks, or the fear of the unknown, this guide will equip you with practical, powerful strategies to reclaim your peace, confidence, and strength. Let's walk together through 5 effective guides to overcoming anxiety, not just to quiet the storm, but to become the calm in the middle of it. And master the present. Step 1, master the present moment. Anxiety often arises when our minds are trapped in the future, projecting fears, imagining failure, and calculating what could go wrong. But let me tell you this today. Life doesn't happen in the future. Life happens now. The moment you feel anxiety rise, anchor yourself to the present. Pause and observe your anxiety like a scientist, without fear or shame. Say to yourself, this is anxiety. It is temporary. I can handle this. Journal your triggers. Awareness is the first weapon in your arsenal. The future is a shadow. The present is solid ground. Focus on what you can control today, and you'll find peace. Reframe your thoughts. Step 2, reframe your thoughts. Seneca once said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Anxiety feeds on the stories we tell ourselves. What if I fail? What if they leave? What if I'm not good enough? But these are just thoughts, not facts. Your brain is a narrator, and sometimes it exaggerates the danger. To overcome anxiety, you must become the editor of your mind. When negative thoughts come, pause and ask, is this true or is this fear speaking? Replace destructive inner dialogue with empowering truths. Say, even if things go wrong, I will adapt. I have survived before, I will survive again. The thoughts you repeat become the reality you live. Embrace discomfort. Step 3, embrace discomfort. Don't avoid it. Epictetus once said, if you wish to be free, do not wish for things to happen as you wish, but wish for things to happen as they do. The modern mind is trained to avoid discomfort, but avoiding discomfort creates a trap because anxiety grows stronger the more we run from it. Face what scares you, one step at a time. If crowds trigger your anxiety, visit a small cafe first. If failure haunts you, try something small where failure is possible but safe. With each step into discomfort, your courage muscle grows. Growth lives just outside your comfort zone. The more you face, the less power fear has over you. Build mental resilience. Step 4, build mental resilience through daily practices. You don't overcome anxiety by avoiding life. You overcome it by trusting yourself to handle life. Anxiety thrives in chaos. You combat it with structure. Create daily rituals that train your mind to stay grounded. Morning reflections, gratitude journaling, or Stoic journaling. Engage in a daily exercise, even if it's a walk, mindfulness, or deep breathing. These simple disciplines stabilize your nervous system and teach your mind that it is safe, grounded, and in control. Surrender. Step 5. Surrender what you cannot control. At the core of Stoicism lies a single truth. You are only responsible for your effort, not the outcome. Much of our anxiety is born from trying to control things beyond us, other people, outcomes, the future. But peace begins the moment we stop fighting reality. Release control. Accept uncertainty. Surrender to life's unpredictability. Knowing that no matter what comes, you have the strength to face it. True freedom is letting go. When you stop needing to control everything, anxiety loses its grip and serenity takes its place. You were not born to live in fear. You were born to rise through it.